Top 5 Best Walking Shoes for Flat Feet under Bagets. Walking shoes for flat feet profoundly improve your strength, safety, and performance. Always look for comfortable best walking shoes for flat feet under Bagets in the market. Most of the walking for flat feet shoes designed for specific purposes and different sports. Most of the running shoes you wear for running not considered suitable for best walking shoes for flat feet. Don't waste your money on buying different shoes which won't suit your activity. I will provide you with a list of best walking shoes for flat feet that is going to clear up your mind. You must know which manufacturer is making what kind of best walking shoes for flat feet under Bagets shoes. Now, as you know the important things to keep in mind before buying best walking shoes for flat feet shoes, let's check the ultimate guide to the best walking shoes for flat feet shoes so that you'll be able to choose the best. Now, let's have a look at the best shoes for best walking shoes for flat feet. 1. Vionic Women's Walker Best Walking Shoes for Flat Feet under Bagets. Women's Orthaheel Walker Sneaker. Designed to keep you supported and comfortable while walking. Premium full-grain, water-resistant leather uppers action lacing system breathable moisture-wicking cool mesh liner with poo foam base biomechanical removable orthotic features and antibacterial covering to keep shoes fresh motion-controlled footbed features a contoured arch support deep heel cup realigns your stride so that you can achieve your fitness goals firm thermoplastic heel counter for increased stability and support durable rubber outsole for improved traction. Heel height of 1.25 inches. Suede rubber sole leather or suede upper. Removable textile covered EVA footbed. Durable runner outsole. Bullthin 0.5 elevation for a smooth transition in the heel to toe strike zone. Received APMA American Podiatric Medical Association seal of acceptance. Your new favorite shoes, designed to keep you on the move. Our perennial customer favorite walker features active motion system technology for maximum comfort and gait efficiency. Step into sturdy support for work and play, every day. Everyday support, a podiatrist-designed footbed built into every pair of Vionic sandals, slippers, active shoes and flats promotes stability from the ground up. Vionic shoes, Vionic brings together style and science, combining innovative biomechanics with the most coveted trends. 2. Brooks Women's Ghost Best Walking Shoes for Flat Feet under Bagets. Cushion. A cushioned experience is soft and protective. Level 1 Minimal Cushion, recommended for the runner looking for a softer run without too much cushion. Level 2 Medium Cushion, recommended for the runner looking for a soft run with cushion. Level 3 High Cushion, recommended for the runner looking for a very soft and protective cushion. Energizer Energized experience is responsive and springy, adding extra lift to your stride. Level 1 Minimal Energize, recommended for the runner looking for minimal spring in their stride without feeling damp. Level 2 Medium Energize, recommended for the runner looking for a springy and responsive feeling stride. Level 3 High Energize, recommended for the runner looking for a very springy and responsive stride. Connector Connected experience is lightweight and flexible to naturally feel your run. Level 1 Minimal Connect, recommended for more natural feeling run with a little cushion. Level 2 Medium Connect, recommended for the runner looking for natural feeling run and lightweight shoe. Level 3 High Connect, recommended for the runner looking to feel connected to every stride for a very natural feeling run. Rubber sole shoe size, B equals medium width, D equals wide width foot support, ideal for runners with a medium to high arch looking for neutral support. Balanced, soft cushioning, Bio-Mo-Go DNA and DNA Loft cushioning work together to provide a just right softness underfoot without losing responsiveness and durability, yet it feels lighter than ever. Smooth, stable ride, the segmented crash pad is designed to adapt to each footfall, so no matter how your foot lands, you'll enjoy the smoothest ride possible. Soft, secure fit, the newly engineered mesh upper practically disappears on foot with strategically placed stretch and structure where you need it most. 3. Asics Metrolite Best Walking Shoes for Flat Feet under Bagets. Lock in comfort with the Asics Metrolite 2. Breathable mesh upper in an intricate design. Extra soft suede overlays. Lace-up closure for optimal fit. Booty construction. Ortholite moisture management footbed. Flexible, low-profile midsole. Wet grip rubber outsole pods. Imported. Measurements, weight, 7 ounces. Product measurements were taken using size 9, width B, medium. Please note that measurements may vary by size. Weight of footwear is based on a single item, not a pair. NA made in USA or imported synthetic sole lock in comfort with the Asics Metrolite 2. Breathable mesh upper in an intricate design. Extra soft suede overlays. Lace-up closure for optimal fit. Booty construction. Ortholite moisture management footbed. Flexible, low-profile midsole. Wet grip rubber outsole pods. Imported. Measurements: weight 7 ounces. Product measurements were taken using size 9, width B, medium. Please note that measurements may vary by size. Weight of footwear is based on a single item, not a pair. 4. Brooks Women's Best Walking Shoes for Flat Feet Under Bagets. Synthetic and mesh rubber sole shoe size B equals medium width, D equals wide width, 2A equals narrow width, 2E equals extra wide width. Foot support, ideal for runners with all arches looking for support. Our new guidrail support system focuses beyond the feet to the most injury-prone part of a runner's body, the knees. Guide rails keep you moving comfortably by keeping excess movement in check. Cushion feel, soft and protective, these shoes provide just the right amount of cushion in each step to let you float through your run, walk and everyday life. Balance, soft cushioning, Bio-Mo-Go DNA and DNA Loft cushioning work together to provide a just right softness underfoot without losing responsiveness and durability, yet it feels lighter than ever. Modernized fit, engineered mesh and the 3D fit print upper provide the structure and proven fit of this go-to shoe with a streamlined look. 5. Asics Men's Gel Best Walking Shoes for Flat Feet Under Bagets. Ideal for low-mileage runners seeking a great everyday shoe with versatility, the Gel Contend 4 shoe features exceptional cushioning and a great fit. The upper features a laminate mid-cage to provide support and stability, and an Ortholite sock liner ensures your feet stay comfortable all day long. In 1949, Mr. Kihachiro Onitsuka began his athletic footwear company, Onitsuka Co., Limited, by manufacturing basketball shoes out of his living room in Kobe, Japan. He chose the name Asics for his company in 1977, based on a famous Latin phrase, anima sana in corpore sano, which, when translated, expresses the ancient ideal of a sound mind in a sound body. Taking the acronym of this phrase, Asics was founded on the belief that the best way to create a healthy and happy lifestyle is to promote total health and fitness. Today, Asics offers a full line of performance-driven athletic shoes and technical active sports apparel and accessories dedicated to bringing harmony to the body and soul. 100% synthetic imported rubber sole shaft measures approximately low top from arch rearfoot gel cushioning system, attenuates shock during impact phase and allows for a smooth transition to midstance. Removable sock liner, a sock liner which can be removed to accommodate a medical orthotic. Comfort Dry Sock Liner, removable sock liner that provides cushioning performance and moisture wicking for a cooler, drier, healthier environment. Comfort Dry Sock Liner, removable sock liner that provides cushioning performance and moisture wicking for a cooler, drier, healthier environment.